na woko hwe school dan enkwala ye bie school se omonko enko suamu ade omontenase esua ade wo sa school dan nim na before school dan me de be kire mokra ewo Facebook ni makohwe bi no obi ambra Facebook na be hwe school dan ya meka ho asem se school dan ya ye de amankola na classes no ye combine class 1 2 3 omunyina gudan baakum 4 5 6 omunyina gudan baakum in this 21st century abra aban bia ba as my school dan say my school dan say education sector maye we inti eba ne sen ena asa 2021 yentumi and solve your school building issues in this country. It's a question I may be sir. Say abane saying ena the basic thing eye dan nkola be kwa kotenem na teacher ni ye postino to that community ono so betumi atwade in a very serene environment en consider ben say teacher ni kirade e wo dan manya owo ne be pia na ne akusie bia pie ma school nkola di nachi say nya kutre bi ne be fa homo bia ho a na wo be hu say scorpion bi nam ho ana sakasaka na she school ni atade. This is how we are treating our children, the future leaders. Yes, sorry, yes, future leaders. The training are your mom to become future leaders, you know, right from scratch. You show them how to be hardened. You show them say the baby because baby will feel bano. Eye takashi eno no de benyindia be wura ban mu. No aye takashi wo. Ya beka se we di ntwayi. How are we treating our children? The downtrodden in the hamlet as on school obeko and obi send by and say our leaders are creating the class system. Of course, rara in dirty region. Kokotra school dayan kwala gum. Ye posti teacher ni koho. And sometimes yana mentiasie. Say ye shut baby a teacher for ye posti o makwana. Ye posti teacher ni akoho se kochra de wokwa combine class 1 2 3 kamu nyina bom na chiro ma de baako nti ade wo se class 1 ni hia no eno na class 3 ni hia de wo se class 3 ni hia no class 1 and 2 omuhia ni via education sector ya de ensesi ye bo ya yewei but still the problem is there. In fact, and ye be kwa homa so na fe DC enya fati ye hoso Adom 106.3 FM ye be koso aboa ya famu de ye beye but the responsibility kese na ejina our leaders because ye nyina ye ntumi nyanti ne de ye will e de ahyemu mu se mombo modin na munya de maye but eno so e asemo amsia ye be ko na fe ye the PTA vice chairman for the school Fatal Muhammad yane no enkwatwetwe enkomo Uncle Fatal what me nka me moache
ye ga openikese
eja bibia bokwa no pay
na komado no mpaibo ye ho ye
media me ra ho na me wa ha but osenya me adoma eja ye be fa ne sa
se oni bi ba de adenya ton de a wo de afirme na kopon yeah.
Uncle Fatal Muhammad, we are vice chairman PTA Parent Teacher Association. Ewo school bang.
Wara Mubarikia Islamic School.
Me bacho sisubio.
Wara Mubarikia Islamic Basic School.
Great. Eho now we are PTA vice chair.
Bacho.
Me bacho school no eti saying.
Hey, opening.
Uncle Fatal, me bacho my radio ninko from Gakrama me. Why? So the bay and my feedback. Mbese mkrofoti on kaye. And now there, show home craft radio no ho. Why? Na yen din come on ye. Why? Great. Great. You say there, yeah.
Opening. And is a yes, I school no 2011. And abandoned again 2014. 2015 and I'm a vice chairman of my school no. Na school no ahone ana yikura no na iswa. Ada hu bia isi ho nyina no enye se isiri aban aso na ban e community na nkasa na isi ye nti ti se ba ye du no enya ade a bitini nti ye de mpampro na eye na nkora ne tin na ye de mpampro no ye we ni we a esan se ye nya sika nkoto cement no ni akozo mu ba bi omo ye adwonwo no ni ye fa adwene ho no ebegu efom ho se na be ya das ten ha nkola no di sana na ewum nti em se 2016 ana vice president Baumia ebe adoye cement $100 say ye fa ntwa ejuma de yidi ampa community ni ye mu ebotom sika koto not yet 8 trees and the car blocks $50 and ye $30 a year concrete and the $20 out ye lane you could be ye or 9 3 rooms and office and grew ye no ye kai no and no the ohona say a year bc zungu mu a ni kusi ba no ma ye ayi na ohona ye gina na ya sere sisi kakakra na de akogwa nkolan e wo school ho because aban se my GPT nti ya jai PTG na se ankase de ahonde eden eye na we wotum ba kokwe wo ni na se penetration at school we dex is a brand new dex of different assembly and I say aban na de buy no ni share bi da wo bi school anu a ye be ko other schools no omo dex na bubu no a omo wo nyuso no ya kofa ya BCC ya de ama nkwala no nti sana se democracy ya rea by social distance se nkwala no man transfer no oba mo bariki ya one dex ekita nkwala 5 7 one dex
one classroom ekura nkwala 5 7
and that's 7
na omo tina so say
openi eya people mo nso ye be ne den ye gusu manage kakrakra na adeba ko ye nya ne say teachers bi o mepuso o mama e bi an e teacher abadaye wo mu enye se sa teachers for ye nya openi nka be school metan ga se bitima collapse mo because wo fa ne say like school no e yo man customer personal e bi o mo private so mo bi because emra ye oda na ye short to iron sheet iron rods no teachers headmaster fake teacher for no e mo ya pay for fun e koto iron rods e ne dey start teaching ye e bi si ho ankwane issue
but your school no a primary school and a JHS
a primary and JSS ye den kola na throw 3 times ni JSS 4 ya throw 3 times ni ye mfeli kurada
me bacho ye starting free primary classrooms in here dodo saying
o say enka uko ama school one say we KG grade K1 K2 no about class 1 yeah then from grade KG1 KG2 class 1 yeah we use one room because you need academic class ho
and class 1 ne crèche ne KG1 KG2 one room nti teacher na omo ho no ono che KG ene crèche ni class 1 no yeah the line afom ntam nti se wo kire wo mana de a na se we tu no boma nkwan eyedin owi a na we so take over sana ene teacher for na den aya omuguso eden ewum na wo back class 2 class 3 a eno se eden ni ho nti de class 2 class 3 abum eno so mo class ba ko a teacher ni na kire mo ade o so ye the line atu wontam class 4 de esa say you need dex class 4 with my issue no it's so far nkola mu school mo bit man ka say o school mo e nkola 7 because one dex na ho o bit my issue 7 nkola 7 ya mo ho ntu ba na eti ko fie kope table bra on so kwa sinema na sin nyes kan to table ma dina kwa no kwa na ntimo ade ka na o ba ne ya nya table ma mo ntana so uyi san kwa ni na challenge na film a teacher fo ankasa table o metana so ni akonwa amaken kwa register ebi ni from KG to P6 you need one table for teacher nti no mo ya so o ma bo ebre apata e no ma ye mpompo akonwa sana ukọ nkwasi ayeye no ya ye nti teacher ni free a no office no ho no betena nti se u me no ka se u ba school ti ya so pese oni head master din ko ma apata na si eni mpompo so na betena ye no wadi nkomo ndi nyame ampaka nso ba dia na sam nkomo no efi di wi asamo na enti teacher for no pempro no so na omotena e marke nkola no work ni bibia okay bibi say vice president ba ho ma $100 of cement
one ma ho odema party for bi na de breye 2016
okay na then no tea school ni nka o ma party for cement
openi san de ya na ye committee because me so me party me man committee bi and me register issues no and me so okay o mete obi be ba yo mo abaya o mo de breye ndo wo de bae no ye mpani for chere say ye youth no ye de bit ma school no so nti ye nye cement no kogu na e kwan be so ebenya no te atwa blocks no o mo hwe and it's no problem nti ye beli abrantie bi o community bi 30 cities ampa yi na di tumure yi tuai and e koto no te 8 trees and e be gina yi 50 bucks yi twa blocks and e ja 50 and e yi 30 e cast concrete it concrete no cast abon kwa ye community no ye to ye and e cast concrete no and ya start laying and e lay do baby ye matrix asa mati ye di ati enu ntina ye fa so omo point DC onamo comfort atama ye no otu anamo be try ye school no mu and again e dan we eye baumia na start em now owo position and on my cement and e dey ye say ejuma we and e dan aka na da wo ma ye say ye tuna nimu a vice president asobeti mamane ka say so oh ate 2 weeks ye be mu why opening from that time to 2 weeks in Europe that den ko banjo na me anwade o na inso ko eto anopa mamane bae ndo ba ne ama etan se de sinu na nkola ni gina ho a inso hwe omo a nkola ni gina ho a obi antini nkofi ano beto ye so etan so orizo view continue otin and so no to tie and so see back from ano be ka fa kire nkola na say o pesa wo ye te say ono a e say o ku school nti obi amomro so be den o ku school and e dey nkomro to nanim
wow
bisin de
Trincy
eno achi ye party for San Antico no ho e ofie yen say ye ni hwe o mutima ka so my mind say school no penny here ye oso baba ya mai nti last year ye di sala no eno onakasa fifi e ba nchen obi a ye koye asore no eno be dina chief imam anum say say e dan we so no hu no ra ko papa say e dan bi say si no community no so o kire chief imam say this year a down way of my Bible more school dying. And my chief imam and his own one handful, agent a bomb pie, papa, and my money will say, Bosh of a share, will be this one. You didn't keep not just so young about trade, but a project of my get fund. I said, your city. Last week, I just said, or better iron sheet, any cement, 50 bucks. Near the 2 years must open the basin less.
Aga Fatal, fast forward. No, sir, where your Islamic school, me boy.
Yeah.
Ma try some more be fi the Zongo Development Ministry.
Ipaswan.
And what's what was he saying?
Nyame adom. Fisa ya sembo to mo ni mu amudi muduma.
Yeah.
Zongo Ministry efrey in 3 days. Say o makin ko mobisi. Nti yenta polete. Na ye mon komo sa. Nuku dadi na yantana so. Ye tapo la tete dadi na o mo ma MP sign. Ya free MP wa be sign amai.
Okay.
Zongo hene wa sign. Asame man assign. And also okay. Yan fan to ne yin twa en fan send no e WhatsApp. Ampa yi twa de send no o se ne saka we no. Na nyame adom na se boni ya bia nsi wiki mu a obehwe na wa mankofa behwe site no so. Na o mahu no mo betim den aboai.
Great.
Yenu se e bia ya sama to adom afo manum de munti ne nyame nti e bia mo bi fima ba se.
Yamene hine menstrual crowd once abeto ya name there definitely ye den ho djuma abusia bra Facebook se si ana fe be hwe school a ye ka ho asami bra na be hwe we yeah abusia fata me hapa
yo openi adema ko a eya ife nya ne se o re ezo community no mo a ye wo nya o school that school no so ya ka de ni ho mo en te se feeding program ye ni bi wo ena secondly they say we have a government hospital is here. Let it form the bring to community more nkwala nketwa. Nipa felisa nko dia kwa mebe school wo okọ edwuma no pon no nan no abefa kwala no. Eso eta ya mu tie. Nti ndimi nje nkwala no. Nti ama na se fonko enwinwi me da kwa ba mo pese mo je no ene je se condition a yewum hwe akola ke to do school o sei na ma menyam ene no ma pako efum ene yebo no papa to ewurom akwa me to ne papa wa starting school from Islamic school and no just H2 obeni bisa se akwa o yeden no ko school ne ma me kwa wa ko ma me na ni afira wana akola ma to ne papa ne ma me so a wa bu hu so ma me so ni afira nti abetima akola de ko school a eye access from sa akola de ko school nso ye ka ohuma o number 1 nti sa ne ma we nyina no so o ma be boa ya wo ma feeding program yin feeding enkola na o ma me no papa na nka ti asofo ho nkwa me ko school ho no na nkwa so nti ni ndwe nkakra se e bia yen so ye ka Ghana form ene I decided to when you say abandi hu duma mai na yeso ye hu han ye kakra
angvata ye bedi hu duma papa ya fatu ye wonso de juyedi say ye beye ama emwaye aba moleta mochro de call the Zongo Development Fund no e bi kura me wa ha
ye dase
Mubarakia Islamic Basic School e wa ha pa application for assistance e kura me nipo sign ye Alhaji Umar Gariba on the chief of Zongo PTA chairman.
Yeah.
A number in our chassis. Atom, yenda wasi, why? Ya some need a GD or and so be a bear fine, as some green cow. I was here for Antifata Mohammed, the vice PTA chairman, Edema Mubarakia Islamic Basic School, and no Ewo Rara. Now, in fact, school I can was me. Bra Facebook never share said your school net here and I make come wasem no so in this 21st century some young crofo amam deploy technology I just say countries bebre Wi-Fi ya de ya ku ho na be upe bi kra wonyan e free kola na bi just say bo browse here ni advance ye buso pre ekwanya ye be faso affixi school dan da ben ye be fixi school dan wi ye be deploy technology aman kolai momatumi ye ka Ghana nya akra pe the fact is say you hu development wa kra na nche say Ghana be be developing that is a fact and ye best politicians in the country ya na development no mon trumpet na nko be bi ye over concentrated development obi hu excuse my language njehwe mu ni mu dia no say the be obi a we see her omaye see her omaye hinterlands in Colano mo hinterlands no omo Accra the same BEC yom betro and asa Colano wo rara ho no so betro akwanya na de o Accra na nya ho sa kwanya na ye de bi madio or rara na and would have been the best BEC candidate if you rara nkanija e benya so man Ghana yen China bibia na Accra na me and the few school na Accra we spread the development no abusia ye be kwa homa no so na fei ye ni teacher ni a o tra de e wo school ho Madam Victoria Olo Auntie Vic
papa
ba cho morning no
morning
Auntie Vic bibia boko de
bibia boko
e do ba de ase me ba cho wo surname no born say Olao okay Auntie Victoria Olao me ba cho we teacher ni
papa you
e wo school ben
Rara
Mubarakia Islamic
Basic.
Me bacho Rara Hifasa na wo.
I was on
Rara Zongo. What you there wo ho mfie sen ni?
Mfie ya. Mpacho mo say yes fine wo ji as I granted name director ho.
Oh. We dey anki bisa 6 years ni a wo chira there wo experience ni te sen.
This year yes squad na ye nibi.
Squad dan mun nibi. Mun nin konya.
Ye ni toilet, ye ni office, ye ni bibiyara.
Entia.
Nyankola na social de bra. A teacher for na organize the nyankola.
Na mwankasa teacher for him.
Ni agba ma headmaster e ma otiho.
Ah, mo science wo headmaster.
You know. Headmaster you ma you go di pie.
Wow. And 6 years ni
Entire Wakadia. Nkola na enya nkola omo ye school. Enka wasi atuminya population so attensa so. Na bre na age ho. Obi aba na okọ.
Me bacho ya textbooks no munya bi.
Mpacho da ye bi opo bi school first no na community community for normal my textbooks.
Jim FM.
Enya sanka mun ni bi.
Enya sanka.
Mama Victoria.
I didn't say ye ni office you know. Aya basa. Classroom ni ba so ye loke. Because ya empoma ni bi afa hon. Because so far ho ye bon for last for ho. SSS. No man my.
Me bacho ensio to a mutumi kira de.
Da bi so na pe o tie pon.
Ensio mu na pe no mapon.
Yes, the sample no mo dia bobo even you am kala no mo.
Me bacho be a ye ka ho ye krasi tu ana ye remote nipa.
Yeah, brother.
Me bacho kanea wo.
Kanea wo.
Me bacho say government hospital wo ho. Ese yenim se eye coronavirus aba. Me bacho wo nkola na ibe school a nose mask na omo bi. Omo she.
Yes.
Abacho
abanda de no tete e kura omo tete amomo.
Okay, abanda na de buy no. Abanda na de buy na abeka monsa.
Akayensa.
Nti matumi ya cheche.
Ya cheche mo bia.
Baja akwala bia nya dodo sen. Mienu.
Yes.
Abanda na ye etese ntoma na omo de apam.
Cotton material.
Cotton material.
Yes.
Nje ya de a wo betumi asi.
You.
Na wasan ahye.
Wasan ahye.
Nti akwala bia nya mienu.
Mienu.
Ndi ohye we ye na na wasi ba ko na to.
Yes.
Obekona wo no wa fa no so sa. Wow. Na nkola no mo sha omo complaining. Omo sha ne pepepe omo di so pepepe. Ye best school mo ho mo wo Veronica Bucket. Siwa nkola no tumi hohoro omo nsa wase.
Okay, Veronica Bucket.
Mo nebi. Mo mienu.
Pachoane.
Oh, okay. Nkola no seminar ni ade nyina mo wo bi.
Yeah, wo.
Seminar no so aban na de bremo.
You.
Ani Veronica Bucket no.
Pachoane.
Okay. Okay. Me bacho headmaster o school waba.
Pacho waba.
Sa nti ngi betimi ni na kasa kakra.
Pachoane.
Okay, nti jina soma me na yentumi ni headmaster na enkasa. And the producers also the my headmaster na na kasa nti mo ho kene na mo ncheke. Ebusia enti what joining here 49 minutes after 8. Be you one segment here dey brewi na school e wo Rabra and your two region. And wasem any ken Mobakia Islamic Bexi School. I will be school die said ye tie Johnny on Facebook na afeshe school na ye ka ho asem no na yesi wonso nyinipa obi hiamwa nti ye nyina ye beka yan sase akambom yetumi akoye omo adom ebuzi amonsaka headmaster no me kwa homa no so na na fe ye ne headmaster chichinkemo headmaster bacha wo so. Hello. Okay, well, I was your headmaster, your second headmaster, Yanino Ebe Chichi and come on. Yabafanyum kakra, Yababaka, and some more, Yabashanafe. Okay, Monsaka headmaster. Head teacher Bana. Okay, head teacher Nyambai. Yamfa Wim Fem, Yansaka head teacher, definitely Yabatuaso. Hayadum 106.3 FM. Well, ebusia enti be one segment here besia yansanka head teacher me enda wase na adofo ada ne dan nyina mo ye yadom ye den sem bi se ye betudwa motumi keka mon sase beboa ye no ebraso se ye nyina ye de ne be chire won kwanta south na afei ye enkoboa community no na school dan ye manuko school wo mu onkran ha Kumasi kro kese mu no ye fa bi enkoma enkwanta south for ye fa seda matisiel the creative life and afi Franco Trading Enterprise omo ene so ya sia yetumi e de beyiwa no e de bro aha e adom 106.3 FM